Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Cart Favicon widget so you can display cart updates directly on your browser tab, making shopping smoother, more engaging, and impossible to forget. This widget allows you to customize the Cart Favicon and badge counter styles, helping shoppers stay aware of their cart status without even being on the cart page. Let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Cart Favicon widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets, select the Cart Favicon. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Free Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Cart Favicon. Here you can customize all settings. Cart Favicon. Upload the favicon for the cart page. This will show up on the Browser tab and mobile shortcut icon. Cart Error Favicon. Upload a custom favicon to indicate cart errors. Cart Error Favicon Duration. Set how long the error favicon will be displayed. Example, 5 seconds. Badge Counter Style. This setting lets you choose how the cart badge looks on your favicon. You have two options. Circle. A rounded badge perfect for a clean and minimal design. Square. A sharp-edged badge ideal for a bold, modern look. Badge Counter Position. This option lets you decide exactly where the cart badge will appear on the favicon. You can choose from 4 positions. Bottom left. A subtle placement that keeps the top area of your favicon clear. Bottom right. Balances the look if your logo design leans left or top-heavy. Top left. Places the badge at the upper left corner of your favicon. Top right. The most common choice, where the badge is easy to spot at the upper right. Badge Background Color. Select the background color of the badge counter. Badge Text Color. Choose the text color of the badge counter. And that's it! Your Cart Favicon widget is now set up. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with your Debutify theme.